warm welcome to day 12 of our arms and belly fat focus challenge. Today is another day to work on our abdominal muscles, getting rid of that unwanted belly fat and toning and strengthening those muscles. But before that, let's warm our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I'm very happy to be having you. And we are going to be doing 3 minutes of alternating toe touches. So I hope you are energized as usual, hydrated as well to get started. So you will need a mat, as you can see, and we shall begin just about now. I hope you feel warm enough. If not, continue marching. So we shall get down, and I will be using our timer over here. So I will begin it just about now, and you want to begin, keep breathing in and keep pulling your abs towards the spine, trying to reach for your toes using alternating arm, alternating foot. Breathing, keep going. Feeling those abdominal muscles working over there. Ooh, feeling the burn as well, guys. And how did yesterday's workout go, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, keep going. And there goes our timer over there, and we shall just rest it out for 30 seconds. Just give me some knee hugs, moving from side to side and resting, catching your breath and gathering your energy to get into the second minute. Keep breathing in and out, breathing in and out. And we shall get into our next minute in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So get back in position, guys. We are pulling those abs towards the spine, making sure we have a flat back, and we shall begin our timer over there. So we shall begin straight away, reaching out to our toes using alternate arm, alternate foot. Breathing. Don't give up. Don't give in, guys. We are almost through with that minute. Keep going. Whew, that burns. Trust me, it's killing me over here, but we almost there. And there goes our alarm, guys. Another 30 seconds of rest, and we shall be getting into the child's pose. And just relax out your muscles, reaching out your hands, breathing in and out, trying to release that tension in your neck. Just keep breathing in and out. And keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And get up, guys. We have that 1 minute to go, and we got this. So just get down onto your mats with me, and I will begin that minute just about now. So let's get going. making sure that your abdominal muscles are not bulging outwards, guys. Reach and back and back. Keep breathing, guys. We are almost there. We have this. Oh, that is burning me, guys. But let's keep going. Just a few more seconds to go. And there goes our alarm, guys. Couldn't be more thankful for the alarm like today. Whoa, we've come to the end of it, guys, but we have to stretch out. So let's just keep in position and just bring your leg towards your chest and reverse it to the other direction. Reach out your arms and just keep holding this stretch right there, stretching out your back, stretching out your right side of the body, and bringing your heart rate down, guys. And you want to keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the other side. Bring it forward and reach out, and we want to hold it for another 30 seconds as well, feeling that stretch. Pull in your abdominal muscles towards the spine and breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you want to roll up, guys, and you want to sit up straight. Just give me some side stretches. That is 1, and another, and another, and just 1 more. And you want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. 1 more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our challenge today, guys. A high five if you've made it this far. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up and a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. And as usual, don't forget to share this video with your friends and families on social media. Please invite them over so that they join us in keeping our bodies fit for health. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in tomorrow's video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.